Welcome back, I won. Okay, so everything's good here. Let's look at the y-intercept. Well, I've done that already, and I wasn't even trying. Look at how good we are. I got the y-intercept by looking at the equation, seeing the c value. So the y-intercept is the c value in y equals 0.15 x squared plus 0.3 x minus 1. So it's going to be y-intercept is -1, which means it crosses at 0, -1, which is what I have here already because we're just that good. The coordinates of the x-intercept. Okay, so I could find vertex form from this. Absolutely not a problem. I could complete the square, but let's do this one differently. Let's take our two x values. So the two x-intercepts, we'll call it the x-intercept method. We'll take 1.8 and we'll add -3.8 and we'll divide it by 2. And I don't trust myself to do anything right now. So negative plus 1.8 is going to be -2 divided by 2 is -1. That means that this value here is x equals -1. Remember, this was y equals -1. Don't confuse the two of them. So this one here is x equals -1. Therefore, that's your axis of symmetry. And that's the answer to the question below it. But that means that you're going to have -1 comma k. That is the value for your vertex. To find that, we're going to sub x equals -1 into. Now, you get to decide where you sub it into. Well, I don't have anything else but the original. So 0.15, -1 squared, plus 0.3, -1, subtract 1. So I'm going to get -1 squared is 1, by the way. So that's simply going to be 0.15. This will be -0.3 minus 1. So 0.15, take away 0.3, take away 1 is -1.15. Looking to studio audience for confirmation. They'll get back to me in a minute. And my vertex, I believe, is -1, -1.15, which is right here. I'm going to pause here and we'll come back.